kind of hell is this search data?
Customers, they're searching for power steering parts we don't carry.
Sweet mother of inventory gaps! If we don't solve this crisis immediately, we're all doomed!
Doomed!
I'll contact every supplier in our network and demand they manufacture these parts.
Move faster! Every second we waste, we're doomed!
Doomed!
What if no supplier can help us? What if this market gap destroys everything we built?
Then we're doomed!
Doomed!
Open that email before civilization collapses, and we're all doomed!
Doomed.
Plews Edelmann manufactures the exact power steering parts your customers are searching for.
They're hallucinating from the stress.
The apocalypse has driven them mad!
Actually, it says here we can add these parts with just one email.
We're doomed?
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 You don't have to face the apocalypse of missed sales opportunities. Plews Edelmann manufactures the exclusive parts your customers are searching for. The solution really is that simple.